Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a goods issue for an item. For example, you'll be using this to issue an item for site consumption. So what that means is that you have an item in your site store and you want to issue it to your site to be used. It's not coming back, it's not in your inventory, you want to minus it from your inventory, and you want to issue this item to the site for the site's consumption. So first of all, I'm just going to check which items are available in the store, in the site store. So I'll go to MB52 and then I'll enter the site name. For example, P005. Enter and execute. So as you can see, there are these items available. For example, I need to issue this one, the first item, to the site for consumption. Okay, no problem. So I'll go over here, I'll create a new window, and I'll go to MIGO. So I put /o MIGO. This will open MIGO in a new window. Click enter, see it open MIGO in a new window, or you can choose MIGO from the easy access menu. Either way you'd like to get to it, no problem. For example, I can go here to MIGO, and now I'll show you how to issue the item to the site for consumption. So step 1, you go over here and you make sure you select goods issue, because as you can see there are 12 different options and you need goods issue. There are other things you might use, such as transfer posting or goods receipt, but for now let's just stick to goods issue, how to issue an item for site consumption or for site use. So we click over here and we make sure we select other, since we're the only ones using SAP. Our site won't be making a reservation or a purchase order, but in the future, who knows, perhaps your site team will create a reservation, you will automatically be able to get it. But for now, we'll click other. So first go to goods issue, then other, then scroll down a little bit. Okay, we can even close this tab. Okay, great. And as you can see, there's the material tab. Click the material tab, and here we can enter the material that we need. So we're gonna do, let's check that, MB52. So we'll do this item 1140, and we'll issue one piece. So you enter the item number, or you can also search if you don't know the item number. For example, you can search using the standard search with the stars, but I know the item number, so I'll just enter it directly. 110000. Enter. Okay. So as you can see, it brought it up over here. Now quantity, I'm going to issue one piece, so I'll click 1, enter, and then where. So, okay, this was very important also. Over here, you want to enter 221. You want to make sure 221 is entered. If it's not entered, make sure you enter 221. It's very important. The movement type is 221. It'll be the same here. Okay, then plant, the same plant we always use, 3310. And the storage location, meaning where's the item coming from, P005. Enter. So as you can see, this is the only required information at this point. Next, you'll go to Account Assignment tab up here, and you must enter a WBS element for the project. So chances are you only have one, maybe you have two, depending on how many projects you have. So we'll enter the WBS for Tembek. Since this item is in Tembek Central Store, Tenbec site store, and it's being issued to Tembec site for their consumption only. It's not coming back. So we'll enter 138 and we'll click enter. Okay, all looks good. This is one item that we're gonna transfer, no problem. And suppose, let's say we're gonna issue a second item. We're not done yet. We need the site needs 2 items. So just scroll all the way down. So as you can see, scroll all the way down. You'll see these 2 icons here. You can select next item. Okay, and once again, go to material. So let me go back to the material list because I'm not sure. We'll see this second item. It has 38 quantity available. We can issue some of that as well. So we'll enter the number, or you can search, no problem. 110235. Enter. Brass connector. Quantity. There's 38 available. We only need to issue 2, for example. Enter. And then where. Goods movement, same. For goods issue for site consumption, it will always be a 221. Plant 3310. Enter. And this item is in the Tembec site store. It's being issued to Tembec P005. Okay. Enter. And account assignment, once again, the WBS element 138 for this site. See, as you can see, for this specific site, it's 138. Enter. Okay, so these 2 items we need to issue to the site for consumption. This is not coming back. For example, this aluminum door with lock, they're going to install it. We're not going to have it in our inventory anymore. And this brass connector, they're going to use it. We won't have it. So we're all done here. Go all the way to the bottom right. Click check. Document is okay. If there's a problem, it'll tell you, for example, enter quantity or enter WBS element or any problem, it will tell you. But as you can see, it says document is okay, so we can proceed. We click OK. Then we can do post. Once you hit post, there's no going back. The item will be consumed. So let's click post. And as you can see, it created a material document 4900135. Okay, so let's go back to our stock. So we took these 2 first items, correct? We took 1 piece of the first one and 2 from the second one. So if we refresh, let's just go back and let's do execute again. As you can see, the first item went away because there was only 1 piece and it was taken from the stock, so now there's 0. And for the second item, there were 2 pieces that we did the issue of, so now we only have 36 available in our store. So that's how you can issue an item for site consumption.